Clean your liver, lower your high blood pressure and prevent cancer with this powerful drink. From the Middle Ages, beetroot was utilized as a treatment for an assortment of conditions, particularly ailments identifying with processing in the blood. As of late, the beetroot vegetable has pulled in much consideration as a well-being advancing, practical sustenance. While logical enthusiasm for beetroot has just picked up force in the previous couple of decades, it's been utilized as a method for regular prescription for years. The beetroot squeeze presents a centralization of potassium. Juice provides incentive to nutritious than boiled beets, which nutritional content is lessened by the heat. Drinking juice is a standout amongst approaches to improve your immune system. Here is the list of certain benefits which you can get consuming beetroot juice. Number 1. It makes your liver work better. Beetroot juice is often used as a portion of detox diets. This is in boosting the liver capability, which assists in expelling toxins because of it aids. Juice includes a cancer treatment agent that protects the liver. It improves the mix of fats within the liver and empowers the healing of liver cells. Number 2. Decreases cancer risk. One of the enormous advantages of beet juice is that exploration demonstrates the beet to be malignancy preventive. The beta-cyanine that beet juice contains keeps the arrangement of dangerous tumors and furthermore detoxifies the body of every hurtful poison. Together with dissolving the awful calcium, these beet juice advantages might be to a great degree powerful in the counteractive action and conceivably inversion of many sorts of tumor. Number 3. Improve the work of your cardiovascular system. Hypertension may have a very negative impact on your overall well-being. It's normally veins which leads to difficulty in bloodstream's result. This strengthens the process of tear and wear, and also places more weight in the heart to pump blood flow. Juice, considered among the nourishments, can help in bringing your pulse down.